Yesterday, I thought I was doing everything right. Saving money, being careful, playing it safe. But this morning, I opened my account and just stared. Something wasn't right. The numbers didn't crash all at once. They just slipped quietly.
And that's when it hit me. This wasn't a mistake. Something is happening right now that's slowly draining people's savings, and most don't even see it. So let me show you exactly what's going on, because once you see it, you won't look at your money the same way again.
Here's the problem. When people think of losing money, they imagine something dramatic. A crash, a big drop, a sudden loss. But real damage doesn't look like that. It's slow, quiet, almost unnoticeable.
Let's say your money is connected to the market through investments, funds, or even certain savings products. When the market starts falling, you don't always see a big drop. You see small declines, day by day. And because it's small, you ignore it. Be honest. If your money drops a little today, you probably won't react, right? Here's where it gets dangerous. Those small drops, they stack and stack and stack until one day you finally notice. And by then, it already feels too late. So what do most people do? They panic. They start checking constantly. They feel stressed. They want control. And then they make the worst possible move. They sell. Not when things were high, but after things already dropped. And that's how a small, quiet decline turns into a permanent loss. Now here's the shift. The people who don't lose money, they see the same situation completely differently. Instead of fear, they see opportunity. Because when prices drop, value doesn't always disappear. Sometimes it's just discounted. Think about it. If something valuable suddenly became cheaper, you wouldn't panic. You'd take advantage. But in the market, most people run in the wrong direction. So ask yourself, would you follow the crowd or think differently? So what should you actually do? First, know where your money is. Not all safe money is truly safe. Understand what it's connected to. Second, expect movement. Ups and downs are normal. Surprise is what causes panic. And third, control your reaction. You can't control the market, but you can control your decisions. Fourth, stay focused long-term. Short-term drops feel scary, but long-term, that's where stability comes from. What's happening right now isn't loud. It's not dramatic. It doesn't come with warnings. It's quiet, and that's why it's dangerous. So don't wait until it's obvious. Don't wait until it feels urgent, because by then, you're reacting instead of thinking. And in moments like this, the difference isn't who has money, it's who understands what's happening to it. If you want to stay ahead of this and actually understand how money moves, make sure you're paying attention, because the next shift won't announce itself either.